Just going to fit one of these little auto bailers. They're just like a little one-way valve. It's got a ball bearing inside there. So when it's when the boat's going forward, the ball bearing pushes back and it opens up, lets the water come around the out those holes there. And when it's actually stationary, it pushes forward and blocks it up. So you just want to get it nice and low without going so low that you're into the thickness of the bottom of your hull there. So I'm going to go about here. Let's drill a pilot hole first. There we go. Yep. The outside diameter of this is 10 mil, and that's what you're going to be drilling in the back of the boat to make it a snug fit. Just doing this while I'm charging up the battery just before I duck out to the lake. It's a pretty simple job. It's a 6 mil hole. Okay, now, just going to use the hot glue gun. Put some glue around the outside. I guess you could use silicone or epoxy, whatever. This dries nice and quick, nice and easy. Just turn it as you push it in. There we go. Give it a bit of a clean up when it's dry, when it's cooled down, and that's it.